Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn how to download a video from Pinterest. So first of all you have to open your Pinterest application, click on it, make sure to log in with your account. Now you have to find whatever video you want to download. So let's say I want to download this video, click on it. After that I have paused the video and then you have to copy the link of the video, click on the share button and then you can see option here, copy link, click on it. After that now you can see we have copied the link of the video, and then now you have to open your Google Chrome and then you have to search here Pinterest video download. So now you can see the first website is appearing here, Pinterest video downloader, click on it. After that now you can see in option paste link here, click on it and paste the link you have copied. And then you have to click on the download button. So now you can see the same video is appearing here. You have to click on the download video. And then you have to click on the three dot button and then click on the download. So now you can see the downloading is started. So let's see the video. It's downloading. It's depending on your internet. It will take a couple of seconds. So now you can see the video is downloaded. Let's play the video. So in this way you can download a video from Pinterest. I hope you guys understand the video. Please make sure to click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. See you guys in the next videos. Follow for more videos.